Come on, you guys got like 15 minutes.
Get a little toasty.
50 Manny. Oh, manual for time machine. Manual for time machine. I got shake your face. Live with the crook. Nice. This is worse than the Olympics. Austin or something. Steve from Time Machine. Oh. Yeah! To remind you guys. Wow. Gonna happen. We need Jen on the mic. Yeah! It's not actually true. Minutes and you guys are cut. $200 donation. Directive is going to the final. Okay. Alright, next, what do we got next? Launch gift card. Have like 3 more minutes, so Indy for Ron. Check that thing.
He's got AirPods. Oh! Web that shit.
Wow! Wow! We'll give you guys 5 more. Kickflip for directive. Kickflip for directive. Easy grab for Crossroads.
Crossroads. Wow.
Yeah.
I don't know, we might change our game.
At each other.
Yeah. Ollie, wow. Give it up for Crossroads. 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 Just kidding.